Do you want to become an Amazon affiliate? Today, I'm going to hop on my computer and show you step by step how to sign up to become an Amazon associate. It's super simple, it's not that hard, but if you have questions, it's helpful to see it firsthand. If you don't know me well, my name is Stephanie Parisi, and I love helping small business owners grow their influence and profits online using marketing strategies that actually work. And I'm also the leader of the Parisi Pack. Now, two things I want you to keep in mind as you pop into this and go through it to create your own Amazon affiliate account. The first is you need to make 3 referrals within the first 180 days from your links to remain an active affiliate, okay? Otherwise, they'll terminate your account. The second thing that I'm gonna show you today is that this is me signing up in the United States as an Amazon associate, okay? Now, you can do it for other countries, and I'm gonna show you where that is on the account. But so you're gonna wanna watch this till the end so you see all of those details if you're selling internationally. Now, let's pop into my computer. Okay, so here we are. We're right on the Amazon.com homepage, okay? So the first thing that you're gonna do is sign into your account, because if you're not signed in, it's going to ask you to do that in a little bit. So we're going to click the sign in button and then just enter your information. We're on the home page, we're signed in, and then we're just going to scroll all the way to the bottom. And then when you get there, you're going to see this button that says become an affiliate. Click. So it's letting me know that, like, right now I don't have an associates account, okay? So that's a good thing. I want to sign up, so that's what we're doing right now. It has a bunch of information for you. I'm not going to go over all of that. We're just going to get right into the tutorial. So I'm going to click the button sign up. So now it has important information. Now it already has my address here and number attached to the account because I'm signed in. So who's the main contact for this account? I'm going to just say me. I'm the person doing it, okay? So it's just verifying that. So I'm going to click next. Now it says, okay, read this information, instructions before you fill this form. So you are going to list your website here, or like your YouTube channel, or whatever you want to put down. So you need to add at least one website. So I'm going to put down my Parisi Pack website, and then I'm also going to put down my YouTube channel. Okay, so I have those things there. That's all I need. Okay, and then I'm going to click the next button. And then, are any of the traffic sources directed at kids under the age of 13? That's a no. So I'm going to click that. What is your preferred associate store ID? So I'm going to just put, again, my name. So tell us about the type of content you create. What can users do on your websites, mobile apps, or Alexa skills? Who is it for, and what kind of products do you intend to promote? So small business owners. I will promote business and marketing tools and other things I use daily. Which of the following topic best describes your traffic sources? So I'm going to say social networking site. And then for a secondary topic, I'm going to choose computer software technology, because I do a lot promoting that. What type of Amazon items do you intend to list? So definitely electronics, some books, computers and office, probably some other things, but those will be the primary. Which of the following best describes your content? I'm going to say content or niche website, and then you could add a second type. And then it says to select a secondary type, and I'm going to add search because of SEO and YouTube. And then we scroll down to traffic and monetization. How do you drive traffic to your website, mobile app, or Alexa skills? So I do a lot of with social networks and SEO, and then also email is a huge one that I like to use. So here, if you're using any type of like paid advertising, you could do that. Or if you have a blog, that would work as well. For a lot of you, it's going to likely be like your social networks, what you're doing on YouTube or Instagram or TikTok. How do you utilize your websites, mobile apps, or Alexa skills to generate income? Select the primary. And then I'm going to say Amazon Associate is the only way I monetize my site, and select a secondary. I'm going to say other affiliate programs. How do you usually build links? And your options are blog editor, content management system, HTML editor, manually via text editor, or other. So I'm going to use blog editor. How many total unique visitors do your traffic sources get per month? About 500 to 5,000. That's for me. So select where you're at. It just has a bunch of different numbers. What is your primary reason for joining the Amazon Associates program? To get rich content for my site, to monetize my site, other. So I'm going to say to monetize my site. how did you hear about us? And I'm going to just say word of mouth. And then here you are typing the characters you see in the box to just prevent fraud. And then you click that you agree to their terms and conditions, and then click finish. It says, thank you for applying to the Amazon Associates Program. Your unique associate ID is this. So this right here is what you're going to want to know. Okay. Now you can enter in your payment and tax information. This is just like your social security number. If you're a person, if it's a business, it's going to be like your business EIN. You can do this now or later. I'm just going to click later to do it later. Okay. Now we're on your hub as an affiliate. Okay. So it's already asking me for feedback with how it went. Okay, so we'll just click submit on that. Hey, it went great, we're in. And then it has a little tutorial here, so I'm just gonna click get started. Now, again, it's reminding me that I need to enter in my tax information to get paid, so we will do that. But the key is right away, I wanna get some links so I can start promoting some things and make some sales, as we already talked about. It's definitely a great time of year to start promoting things from Amazon. Everyone's gonna be shopping and buying. Okay, so the quickest way to get a link to start promoting things is if you go to Tools and you click on Site Stripe. Okay, so now it's gonna show you, hey, when you are logged in as an associate on Amazon, on top of your Amazon, you're gonna have this banner. Okay, so you can see it right here. It says get link, text, image, text, image. So this is the site stripe. Okay, so if we pop open a new Amazon.com, okay, I just went to Amazon.com here, www.amazon.com. You're gonna see I'm logged in and now I have this site stripe as an Amazon associate. So I can search for anything. So for example, one of my absolute favorite things as a dog owner is the Hoover carpet cleaner. It's like this stand-up, super inexpensive vacuum mop for dog messes. Now, if you're a dog owner like I am, I can't tell you the number of times I've jumped out of bed because my dogs have been puking and I wake up to the sound of dog vomit. So I am going to type this in, Hoover carpet cleaner, and I'm gonna find the one that I like, which is this Power Dash Pet Compact Carpet Cleaner. I'm gonna click on it. Now you can see up here, my Amazon associate site stripe is up, so I can click text, image, text, or image, okay? So if I click to get the link, which is text, so I'm clicking this text button, you can see I now have this text link created, okay, that I can paste into a website, and you can do the short link or long link. I highly recommend just grabbing the short link. So now I can take this and post this into an email, or if I have a website where I'm showcasing products, whatever you name it, now I have the link that's gonna track it back to me. Now the cool thing is that when people click on this and they go shopping, okay, if they end up not buying this, but they buy other things while they're still logged in on Amazon and they went to Amazon through my link, that will come back to me. Okay, very cool. And so that's how you get a link to different items. I could also click image, and it's going to say, hey, here's the HTML code if I want to paste that into my website for those of you who are more website savvy and building websites. Or you can get text and an image again. So if you want to put this on your website, it could look like this. You're going to get the image alongside of it, the shop now button, which makes it super easy. And you're just going to copy paste this HTML code into your website. And then back on your home hub, you're going to see the results of what's going on with the links that you're sending out or people are clicking, because it's going to have your overview earnings. And like we already talked about, you want to make some sales right away so you remain an Amazon associate. So here on your homepage, I want to show you one more thing, okay? So if we go over to tools and you go down to one link, I'll let this pop up. Okay, so this goes to show you, hey, this link, you're currently set up to operate in the United States only, okay? So you can configure a store ID to earn from Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Spain, United Kingdom, and more. And that's where you would get started here if you want to be earning internationally. I hope you found that helpful. Pop over to stephanieparisi.com for more helpful tips or subscribe to my channel. Check out either of these two videos that are popping up on the screen. They're here to help you win on social media and in your business. And I'll be back next week with another new video.